Here's how you can install HDO Box on your Android TV. First, open the Play Store on your TV and search for an app called Downloader by AFTnews. Go ahead and install that. It's free and it lets you download apps that aren't in the official store. Next, you'll need to enable developer mode on your TV so you can install apps from unknown sources. Go to Settings, then System, then About. Scroll down to where it says Android TV OS Build, and click that 7 times. You'll see a message pop up saying developer mode is now on. Now open the Downloader app you just installed. In the URL bar, enter this code, 28907. Hit Go, and it'll take you to a special page with a bunch of apps. Once that page loads, scroll down until you see the Movies and TV section. Look for HDO Box, and click the download button next to the version that says Fire TV or Android. Either of those should work on Android TV. After the file finishes downloading, you'll get a prompt to install it. Click Install, and once it's done, you'll find HDO Box in your apps list.